All right, so here we have a level 9 type question, and we have a distributive type question, and the 4 is multiplying the first bracket, and the 3 is multiplying the second bracket. Okay, so we're going to use our distributive property. So the 4 is going to multiply the 3x, okay, and that's going to give me 12x. And then the 4 is going to multiply the negative 3y, which is going to give me negative 12y. And then the 4 is going to multiply the negative 6z, which is negative 24z. All right, then the 3 is going to multiply the negative 5x, which is negative 15x. And then the 3 is going to multiply the negative 5y, which is negative 15y, and then the 3 multiplies the negative 7z, which gives us negative 21z. Now I want to add my like terms. Okay, and so my 12x adds to my negative 15x, which is negative 3x. Negative 3x, and then my negative 12y adds to my negative 15y, and that gives us negative 27y. And then my negative 24z adds to the negative 21z, which is negative 45z. So negative 45z. Okay, and that's our answer. Here's another example. We have negative 5 times 11x squared minus 11xy plus 5y squared. So the negative 5 is going to multiply everything inside the bracket, and then the negative 10 is going to multiply everything inside this bracket. Okay? So let's go and do that. So the negative 10 is going to multiply the negative x squared, the negative 10 is going to multiply the negative xy, the negative 10 is going to multiply the negative 7y squared. Okay, so let's zoom in and do that. So the negative 5 multiplies your 11x squared, giving us negative 55x squared. And then the negative 5 multiplies the negative 11xy, giving us a negative times a negative is a positive 55xy. And then the negative 5 multiplies 5y squared, and that's going to give us negative 25y to the power of 2. Okay, and then it's the next bracket's turn, so the negative 10 is going to multiply the negative x squared, so a negative times a negative is positive. 10 times 1x squared is 10x squared. Then the negative 10 is going to multiply the negative xy. Negative times a negative is positive, so plus 10xy. And then the negative 10 multiplies the negative 7, like so. And that gives us a negative times a negative, once again, is a positive. So plus 70y to the power of 2. And then it's just a matter of adding our like terms. So I have negative 55x squared plus 10x squared, and that's going to give me negative 45x squared. So negative 45x squared. And then we have 55xy plus 10xy. That's 65xy plus 65xy. So plus 65xy. And then we have negative 25 plus 70y squared, 45y squared. Okay, that took me a long time. So plus 45y squared. Okay, and there's our answer. Okay, and yay, that's right.